first outfit is this dress that I had made, just like the Gucci one from a few years ago. I absolutely love this dress. It's a really beautiful silk velvet fabric in this teal dark sea color. It's like a green blue, and I thought this would be perfect for Venice. It just screams Venice to me. And then thinking of something for a party or a cocktail or an after work drink or something like that, I thought of this immediately. It's a vintage Burberry. And then this is more of a work option, but I think it's really elegant, really chic. I thought about this leopard equipment silk shirt with the silk tipi culottes. Everything has a big movement, and it's blousy and light. Obviously you want to layer on top of this. Looks really cool with the hat on top. It just has all this vibe that I always think of Venice when I think of that vibe. And then of course with my leather jacket on top, my leather coat from G3, it just adds that element of gangster, mystery, glamour that I really like. When I tried these shoes on, I was instantly so happy. These are my pink metallic Gucci loafers, and I think it works beautifully with the culottes, just the right amount of ankle. And then the white blazer, of course. Again, I'm veering towards this style that's a little bit stiff and really glamorous and really smart and kind of carnivalesque. That's what I was thinking about. And I love winter white. I thought the heaviness of the jacket was kind of interesting next to the culottes, and with the hat it just looks peculiar. And of course my vintage Christian Dior cape could not be avoided for a Venice theme. I couldn't take the cape with me, but I'm showing you. And turbans were an element that I used a lot. This is a Missoni turban. You can just wear that with anything. And the Burgundy fur cape, which I never wear, but it's a beautiful option for Venice with this Venetian green Birkin. I really wanted to try this on with the culottes. Black and the burgundy and then a pop of color. This burgundy looks really good with blonde hair. If you have blonde hair and blue eyes, it just really makes it stand out. And it's a really cute cape. It's not even super warm, so you could wear it inside. If you want to have a look inside, you can add a little cape. Silk pajamas, always one of my favorite. This is such an easy way of being really stylish and really smart, is by wearing white silk pajama bottoms with a white blouse. It's just, this is one of my go-to looks. And velvet is a material that I always think about when I think of winter and a little bit of glamour. Again, Venice and all this stuff. I like the movement of the silks and the velvet. It's kind of important that it's silk velvet. I know most velvets are not. And this is the coat on top. So I'm showing you the layering option because this is also a good inspiration for winter clothing that can be stylish and cool. So that was my Joseph sheepskin. And here I have the velvet blazer just draped over the shoulders with my Gucci turtleneck, wool fitted turtleneck. The trousers, to be honest with you, the silk pajamas, they look slightly better, especially if you're petite, with something fitted on top. And then a parka was one of my options. I didn't end up traveling with a parka just because I didn't want to take two different coats, but it actually looks really good, especially if you're wearing something really smart on the bottom. And the white turban was one of my favorite things to wear too. Turbans are a really good option to cover your head when it's windy or cold, and it looks really beautiful. I did take these stiletto sandals. These are by Nicholas Kirkwood, and they're super comfortable. They're almost flat because they have such a big platform, and they're so light. And I'm wearing my Hermes Carré on my throat. And this is a more casual option, you know, with jeans. I took my blue jeans, I wore them the last few days. Different turban. Turbans don't take a lot of space. You can take a few turbans and you will have a lot of options. I love the idea of combining the pink gloves with an all black or neutral color casual outfit. I think the turbans and the gloves take it somewhere else. And you can also do the same thing with the puffer jackets. I'm just showing you another option in case you have a puffer jacket available, or a parka, let's say. And this was just a completely different, drastic alternative. I wore this dress. I didn't wear this with the boots, but I love it with the cowboy boots and the aviator glasses. It's a really comfortable silk jersey from Isa. Love the pattern. You can wear it with gloves if you want something a little bit more risque. And with these block heels by Stuart Weitzman. My tights are wool tights by Max Mara. And I loved that option. I hope you liked this, my Venice selection. Check out my blog posts. If you haven't already, I have a Venice photo diary, what I did in Venice. I'll see you soon.